What's up everyone, and welcome back to Meal Prep 101. It's been a while, but we're back, and today we're going to be making, not sure what I'm going to be making, but we're going to be making some food. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. I'm going to show you quick and easy healthy meal preps. So let's get started. So I'm actually going to be making some fried rice. It's a secret recipe, not so secret anymore. I'm going to start by making the white rice quick and easy on the rice maker. Now I'm going to grab a container and I'm going to put some soy sauce. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to put some water in it. I'm going to add some brown sugar, add some honey, a little bit of sesame oil, some minced garlic, and a little bit of lime juice. I'm gonna give that a quick mix. I'm gonna taste it real quick. I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar. You want it sweet, not too sweet, but also not too salty. Now this is gonna be for 2 meals. So I'm gonna add 4 pieces of cod, about this size for me. 2 of these are gonna be 1 meal for me. Okay, now I'm just gonna let it sit there for a few minutes in the fridge. Next thing to do, we're gonna chop 1.5 cups of yellow onions, 1 cup of celery, a 15-ounce can of diced tomato. I had some tomatoes laying around on the floor, so I'm just gonna use this and chop them. And a cup of carrots, or you can go the easy way or just get the can. Now that that's done, we're gonna start cooking some ground turkey. We're gonna add some olive oil. I'm going to add the onions. We're going to add some minced garlic. Next, I'm going to add the celery. And I'm going to add 1.5 pounds of ground turkey. Some pink salt. You can use regular salt. You don't need pink salt, but we fancy out here. Put some black pepper. You can also add the carrots now. I'm not gonna use them right now because the ones that I have are the ones in the can, so they're already pretty soft. Okay, my ground turkey is like halfway done. You can see that it's not all the way pink, but it's not really fully cooked. So I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. 3 of these little cans that are 8 ounces. I'm gonna throw in my carrots, diced tomatoes. I'm gonna add some basil, some oregano, and I'm gonna add some thyme. Let's just mix it all together now. Okay, now at this point we just want to cook it between medium and low. Cover it, let it simmer until all the vegetables are soft. I don't have a lid though. Okay, in the meantime, while the turkey's cooking, I'm gonna put some oil in the pan, and I'm just gonna throw this fish in there. Put a little bit of sauce on there as well. Alright, next you want to get some half-dead Italian parsley. Just kidding, just get fresh parsley. And I'm just going to chop this.
You're making chicken too?
Mm-hmm. It's never enough. Just going to shower your chicken real quick. Give it a nice shower. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this chicken thigh into small pieces. Okay, this chicken is gonna be for 2 meals. If that's not enough for you, probably add some more. If it's too much for you, obviously make less. This looks pretty much done. Oh yeah, you know it's done when the vegetables are nice and soft. Just a little bit more salt. So we're gonna add some more salt. And I'm gonna add some pepper because why not? I'm gonna add some white beans. And I'm gonna add some dark red kidney beans. And wait, there's more. Just gonna mix it. My fish is done. I'm going to turn it off. By the time the fish is done, all the sauce should be pretty much kind of like caramelized. I'm gonna add a little bit of that sauce in there. Alright, I'm gonna put some oil in a pan. This is like a soft flour and sesame oil. Pretty good. Now I'm gonna throw my chicken in there. I'm gonna put some ground ginger, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. And we're just going to cook it. Alright, now that my chicken is pretty much done, I'm just going to add some stir-fry sauce. This is one of my favorite stir-fry sauces. This one doesn't really have any of those BS chemicals, so that's one of the reasons why I like it. And it also tastes pretty good. Last thing you can add is chop some chop some green onions and throw them in there. Completely forgot to buy them, so I'm not gonna use that. One thing that I forgot on the ground turkey is the parsley. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna put all this food in the containers, put some frozen veggies, some white rice, and that's pretty much it. Thanks again for watching. I hope you like these recipes, try them out. Like this video and stay tuned for the next recipe, which is gonna be fried rice for sure. Later.